The user experience and user interface design course that's been designed is designed as a cohort-based course.
There's one thing that I love about education today is that it's stackable, and that's really one good thing that's there in AND courses as well. And we try and make it that way.
It's got live classes and it's got your own time where you can learn stuff conceptually, and it's got assignments that you've got to do. You as a cohort might be sitting in multiple places, but you will interact with yourself, with the people in your cohort, learn from the tutor who is going to be teaching live. Additionally, you will also learn from your own cohort, your groups that you work with, your huddles that you do, and workshops that are a part of these courses. And that's the method in which the learning is going to happen.
Let me give you a little bit of insight on the flexibility. I've taught 4 batches over here. And with each batch, the curriculum has changed a little bit. As the industry shifts, the curriculum shifts as well. Because the industry focuses on a different thing every 3 months, right? So therefore, it's important to be able to be agile and flexible with your curriculum. The stackability of it, the agility and the flexibility of it ensures that any learners who pass out from AND are very current in their thinking process, are very current in the process and the frameworks that they follow.
Skills that you'll learn will start from ability to structure workflows very well based on research that you have done very well, and using the insights to do the workflows and take the workflows back to the users and get feedback very well, and then move them into prototypes that are lightweight, low fidelity prototypes using tools that are current and cutting edge. Take those prototypes and convert them into brands that can stand by themselves through visual design and information design, and eventually creates final products and interact with technology teams to actually put them together in an appropriate way.
It has been a very holistic experience because AND Academy provides with both theoretical and practical knowledge, and they put a great emphasis on practice and practicing design thinking, practicing the daily skills and learning that we are doing on a daily basis.
I had the opportunity to interact directly with the professors, directly with Prachi ma'am. They teach you everything from the ground up. So I really love the curriculum, the way everything's planned, what will come at what time, how exactly do we progress. It's like a proper continuation. If you're learning typography today, tomorrow you will actually learn how to implement that typography. It's not like you're learning it for the sake of learning.
It was like a brick and mortar class. It has assignments. It was so systematic, and also it being systematic is the one thing that helped me to push myself and do the work, and also the feedback that they give was always very productive. So it was challenging, but it was a very good challenge.
Everything is well defined, well structured, each thing is covered. Everything is there on the canvas, so it makes me very easy to read articles, to scroll videos, and communication is quite easy with the mentors. The availability of the support, 24 hours available for me. Where I want to place myself, that is somewhere I learned from the CDM sessions, how to actually make resumes that catches eyes, how to actually talk to people, how to answer, how to explain things. So all that part has really helped me a lot.